The foldable smartphone market is about to get a major shake-up, and this time it's coming from Apple. After years of waiting, the company is finally preparing to launch its first foldable device, widely referred to as the iPhone Fold. And this is not just another foldable phone. This device is shaping up to be something much bigger, almost like carrying an iPad mini right inside a pocket. What makes it even more interesting is how it's expected to compete directly with Samsung and its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8. And from early leaks and reports, the competition looks intense. One of the biggest highlights of the iPhone Fold is its inner display. It's expected to feature a large 7.8-inch screen with a 4:3 aspect ratio. This is important because most current foldable phones feel slightly narrow or awkward when opened. But this wider ratio could make everything feel more natural, whether it's watching videos, browsing, or even working on documents. Another major improvement could be the crease. Anyone who has used a foldable phone knows that the visible line in the middle of the screen can be distracting. Apple seems to be focusing heavily on reducing this issue. With the help of advanced materials, possibly even sourced from Samsung itself, the crease could become much less noticeable. If that happens, it would be a big step forward for foldable displays. The outer display is also getting attention. Instead of being just a secondary screen, it's expected to be more functional and larger. This means everyday tasks like replying to messages, typing, or navigating apps can be done without even opening the phone. That kind of convenience can make a huge difference in daily use. Now let's talk about battery life, which is one of the biggest concerns in foldable devices. The iPhone Fold is rumored to pack a massive 500 mAh battery. That's even bigger than the expected battery in the Galaxy Z Fold 8. But battery size alone isn't the full story. Apple is known for its efficiency and optimization, and when combined with a large battery, it could result in significantly longer usage time. For users, this means less charging and more productivity. Whether it's gaming, watching content, or multitasking, the device could easily last throughout the day without struggle. Speaking of multitasking, Apple is also working on optimizing iOS specifically for foldable devices. This is a very important step because foldable phones need software that can truly take advantage of the large screen. The iPhone Fold is expected to support smooth side-by-side app usage, similar to what is seen on iPads, while the Galaxy Z Fold 8 might still have an advantage with 3 apps running at the same time. Apple's strength lies in its clean and smooth software experience. Everything is expected to feel more refined and easy to use, especially for people already familiar with the Apple ecosystem. Durability is another area where Apple seems to be making serious improvements. Foldable phones are often criticized for being fragile, but the iPhone Fold could change that perception. It is rumored to feature a strong protective layer made from transparent polyamide film, which can improve scratch resistance. On top of that, the hinge could use liquid metal, a material known for its strength and durability. This could make the folding mechanism more reliable over time. If these improvements work as expected, the iPhone Fold could become one of the toughest foldable phones available. When it comes to cameras, the situation is a bit mixed. The iPhone Fold is expected to include wide and ultra-wide lenses, which should deliver excellent image quality. However, it might miss out on a telephoto lens, something that the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is likely to include. This means zoom capabilities could be limited compared to Samsung's device. But Apple has always been strong in image processing. So even without a telephoto lens, the camera performance is expected to remain impressive in most situations. Artificial intelligence is another area where the competition becomes interesting. Samsung has been pushing ahead with AI features, offering smart tools and automation that enhance the user experience. Apple is still catching up in this space. The iPhone Fold may include some AI-powered features, but it's not yet clear how advanced they will be. This could be one area where Samsung maintains an edge, at least for now. However, Apple has the potential to improve quickly in future updates. Now let's talk about pricing. Both the iPhone Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 are expected to land in the ultra-premium category, with prices around $2,000. This clearly shows that these devices are not for everyone, but for those who want the latest and most advanced technology. Apple's strategy here is very clear. Instead of rushing into the foldable market, the company waited, studied the competition, and worked on refining the experience. This could result in a first-generation product that feels more polished compared to others. On the other hand, Samsung already has years of experience in this space. Each new Fold device has improved step by step, giving Samsung a strong foundation. So this is not just a product battle, it's a clash of two different strategies. In the end, this rivalry is great for users. More competition means more innovation, better features, and improved devices over time. The iPhone Fold is not just another smartphone launch. It represents a major shift in Apple's approach and could redefine what people expect from foldable devices. If everything comes together, the display, battery, software, and durability, this device could set a new standard in the industry. The foldable future is getting closer, and it's about to become more exciting than ever. For more updates on the latest smartphones, leaks, and tech news, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so nothing important gets missed.